Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to install Power BI from your learning partner, Learn Now. Power BI is a powerful business analytics tool that allows users to analyze data and create visual reports. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the steps of installing Power BI on your computer. The first step is to download Power BI. To do this, go to the Power BI website and click on the Download button. This will take you to the download page where you can choose the version of Power BI that is compatible with your computer's operating system. Once you have selected the version you want, click on the download button and the installer will start downloading. Run the installer. Once the download is complete, navigate to the folder where the installer was saved and double-click on it. This will start the installation process. The installer will guide you through the process and ask you to accept the terms and conditions of the license agreement. Choose installation options next. You will be prompted to choose the installation options. Here, you can select where you want Power BI to be installed and if you want to create shortcuts on your desktop or in the Start menu. Launch Power BI. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Power BI by clicking on the icon that was created on your desktop or in the Start menu. That's it. You have successfully installed Power BI on your computer. Power BI application has launched on your screen. With Power BI, you can now start analyzing your data and creating powerful visual reports to help you make better business decisions. In upcoming video, we will walk through how to analyze and create the visuals. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful.